What's the meaning of antitrades? Antitrades. 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 Antitrades.
Antitrades are winds that blow in the opposite direction of the trade winds. They are found in the upper troposphere, between 20 and 30 degrees latitude. Antitrades are caused by the subtropical high-pressure cells, which are located at these latitudes. These high-pressure cells create a descending air flow, which causes the winds to blow from west to east. Antitrades are important for global circulation, as they help to distribute heat and moisture around the globe.